Well, this is the Health Career Opportunities Program, and basically we're taking children from middle school all the way up to college, and this is one facet of it, but for this week they're coming to the dental school, and we're teaching them about how to build a tooth, we're teaching them about how to do a filling, we're also teaching them things like radiology and pathology, so just to let them know that dentists do more than tap teeth and send you out with a toothbrush every 6 months. We're showing them exactly what we're really doing and giving them a bigger scope of our actual profession. Right now they're doing their community service project. So each student that came into dental school, they had a certain amount of community service that they had to do. Because this is a very financially stable career path. However, we need to know that, you're not just about the money. We need to know that you actually care about the patients that you're treating. So this time we're letting them come up with their own community service project, but it's built around them teaching kindergartners. Be able to teach it, and whatever, it needs to be fun, it needs to be innovative, but it also needs to teach them something that even a kindergartner can learn. So right now, each little group is doing their own kindergarten project that they can hopefully teach them something. It can be about cavity progression, it could be about brushing your teeth, it could even be about sugar monsters and what they do to your teeth.
Fun time then, huh?
Fun time, very fun time.
Good, excellent.